Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful, exotic, and race-bred superbikes on the planet, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100. If you've ever dreamed of owning a bike that feels straight out of MotoGP, this is it. Let's break down everything, from design and engine to technology and real-world riding experience. Design and aerodynamics. First up, let's talk design. The RSV4 Factory 1100 doesn't just look aggressive. It's been sculpted in a wind tunnel. Those sharp fairings, the central air intake, and those MotoGP-inspired winglets aren't just for show. They generate downforce at high speeds, keeping the bike planted when you're hard on the gas. Aprilia's factory version takes things to another level with carbon fiber details, a premium paint finish, and forged aluminum wheels that reduce unsprung weight. Every detail screams Italian performance art. The engine. Underneath the fairings lies the heart of a champion, a 277cc, 65-degree V4 engine pumping out an insane 217 horsepower and about a 125 Nm of torque. This engine layout gives you the grunt of a V-twin and the top-end scream of an inline-4. It's the best of both worlds. The throttle response is razor-sharp, the power delivery is smooth yet explosive, and the soundtrack? Pure MotoGP. Trust me, this V4 isn't just fast, it's addictive. Chassis and handling. The RSV4 Factory is built around a stunning aluminum twin-spar frame, a direct descendant of Aprilia's race bikes. It's stiff where it needs to be and offers just enough flex for precise cornering feedback. And yes, the swing arm is adjustable, just like on a full-blown race machine. Then there's the Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension. It adjusts damping on the fly. Hit a bump mid-corner? It sorts it out. Brake hard from high speed? It firms up instantly. Combine that with Brembo Stylema brakes and 330mm discs, and you're looking at superbike-level stopping power with surgical precision. Electronics and rider aids. One of Aprilia's biggest strengths is its APRC electronics suite. You get multi-level traction control, wheelie control, launch control, adjustable engine braking, and cornering ABS, all working seamlessly in the background to keep you safe and fast. There's also a bi-directional quick shifter, cruise control, and customizable ride modes for street, sport, or track use. The TFT dash is bright, clear, and even connects to your smartphone via the Aprilia MIA system, so you can see navigation and track your telemetry. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Despite being a full-blown superbike, the RSV4 Factory 1100 isn't a torture rack. Aprilia's designers reshaped the fuel tank and seat to improve grip and support, and the foot peg and handlebar positions strike a balance between aggressive and manageable. It's still focused on performance, but you can do a spirited Sunday ride or even a short commute without feeling like you've just run a marathon.